Team, it's a beautiful day out here in Southern California and I'm feeling like stir fry. So today we're gonna do a surf and turf stir fry on my Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle. Coming up, it's Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. We're out in the backyard today. Guys, it is a beautiful, God, the Lord has blessed us with a beautiful day outside. So I decided to get out of the kitchen, decided to get this griddle fired up, right? And we're gonna make a little surf and turf stir fry. Guys, this is bare bones easy. The things I love about stir fry is you can throw whatever you have together, get it on that griddle, fire it all up, and it's done in minutes, all right? I have totally made this just as easy as can be. We have just some ramen noodles straight out of that brick that you get for 25 cents at the grocery store or whatever. Hydrated those in some hot water. I got some leftover ribeye steak. We did a nice big smoked seared tomahawk ribeye the other day. So we had a little leftover steak that we're gonna throw on there. I have some shrimps, about a half a pound of 1620 shrimps. So I think we got like 8 or 9 shrimps on there. Got some sliced sweet onions, a little green onion for flavor, some sesame seeds, a little sriracha, little sesame seed oil, and some soy sauce. A little bit of minced garlic, simple as can be. And the thing is, if you want to add veggies to this, you can add veggies to it. If you're like myself and didn't have any vegetables in the kitchen, well, this is what we're gonna roll with for lunch, all right? Let's go ahead and get this thing started. I'm gonna fire up the Pit Boss, and then we'll start building our little stir fry, all right? Come on back. All right, team, let's go ahead and get this thing fired up. We're gonna turn on the knobs, give the old ignite. I'm only gonna fire up 3 of these. We'll leave the far left side as the cool side, but we'll let those come up to temperature. We're gonna do high heat, guys. High heat makes the best stir fry. So that's what we're gonna do. We have them pretty much set on the top flame, and we'll start building this up relatively quickly. All right, guys, let's start getting these aromatics fried up. Gonna add a little sesame oil on there. Let's get our onions on. In fact, I'm actually gonna turn off this third burner. We're making about a 2 portion size over here. I'm only gonna use this right side right here. We'll let these onions cook down, sweat down a little bit. All right, let's get about a pretty good tablespoon or so of garlic. We're gonna throw our shrimp on next. We're not putting the steak on just yet. It's already cooked, so we're just gonna be warming it through. I'm not adding salt to the mix here because the soy sauce has salt in it. So we don't want to overdo it with the salt. All right, let's give these shrimps a flip. We don't want to burn them. We don't want to overcook them. Give it a minute or so on each side. They're going to cook relatively quickly, but we're going to start adding the ingredients and there's going to be more cook time to it. So you got to be careful and mindful of that. All right, move the shrimp up. Let's add the beef to there, the steak. Gonna get that warmed up. We'll just warm through. It's already cooked. I'm gonna mix in with the onions and garlic a little bit. And being that I actually kind of reverse seared this steak, smoked it for a little bit, we're gonna have a nice smoky flavor in there. So if you have some smoked steak in the fridge ready for leftovers, there you go. Steak is warmed through. We're gonna add our green onions in there. Add our noodles. Add about a half a cup of soy sauce. Get it with the shrimp over there a little bit. Right. Give it a little of that sriracha. Oops. It'd help if I opened it. Give it a little bit of sriracha in there. So then dash more of the sesame oil, sesame seed oil. Now it's just time to mixy mix. These shrimps over here, put them in there. Everybody's trying to get away. Comes together really quickly, guys. When I tell you, I mean it. I'm gonna turn off the burners because there's plenty of residual heat. And just let this kind of sit, come together a little bit, and we'll get it into a bowl. Okay. Let it go for about a minute or so. We got a nice little Asian-inspired bowl right here. Now, like I said, this is enough for 2 servings, but I'm gonna load up this bowl for the pictures, for the thumbnails. Obviously, you don't eat this much. You don't need this much. It's looking good though. All right, I'll get this all cleaned up and set up for the thumbnail. Come on back and we'll give it a shot. Griddle is cleaned up. Let's add a little greenery to this, just to make it look pretty. Give it a couple of shakes of sesame seeds. If that ain't a work of art, I don't know what is. All right, team, we came underneath, put a little umbrella up. The sun is literally right over my backyard. You make do with what you got. And what I have here is a nice bowl of ramen stir fry. I mean, what's up? All right, let's try it by. All right, shrimps. You guys know that's a winner right there. So good, so tasty. I even let Charlie have a little bite of the steak. My little smoking buddy out here. Now he's enjoying it. Anyway, guys, that's it on this one. If you want to get yourself one of these Ultimate Griddles, I will put an affiliate link down below to Pit Boss. It doesn't cost you anything more to use that link, but it does help out the channel. Knives, cutting boards, merch, all that stuff is down below. If you want to become part of CJ's crew for real, be a show producer like all these lovely people right here, hit that join button. It's right next to that subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But that's it for this week, guys. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.